guys, it's Brenda and welcome back to another video in SugarPinkDIY. And in today's video, we'll be decorating 2 notebooks for this back to school season. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And now let's go on to the video. Alrighty guys, so to start off, wrap your notebook cover with some white thick paper, kind of like poster board paper. And with some liquid masking tape, start making all of your designs. In this case, I'm using a liquid masking tape marker, and this is so much easier than using a masking tape that comes like in a bottle, because then you have to use like a brush to do all of your designs instead of like using like a regular marker like I am. And once I had my mandalas done, I continued to write my phrase. In this case, it's time for a break, so I did everything in cursive, and then I went back and then just kind of like added some thick strokes to make the fake lettering. And once the masking tape is all dried, I continued to do like other designs with my watercolors, so just adding random colors all over the place, all over my notebook, just to make it look super pretty and super popping to the eye. So I just added all the colors that come with my palette, of course only the bright ones, but of course you can use any colors or any color combination that you like. And then once my watercolor was all dried, I continued to peel off the masking tape. So basically everything that I drew or wrote with my masking tape will turn white once I peel the masking tape off. And then my kitty jumped on my table, started looking and smelling at everything that I had on my table, and stopped me from recording. And once my kitty left, I started to remove all the masking tape that I still had on my notebook cover. So once the masking tape was all peeled off from my notebook cover, I took my black pen and started outlining every single design that I drew with my masking tape. And this way all of my white designs and drawings look super vibrant and super popping, and I don't know, but I feel like it's super relaxing outlining everything. So for the second notebook cover, we're also gonna end up having some white small designs so your notebooks look super cute. And so for this, you can also use like a masking tape liquid marker that I used previously, or you could use a crayon just like I am. And with the white crayon, just make all of your designs. And once your designs are all done, start painting them with some watercolor. And since watercolor is water-based and crayons are oil-based, oil and water, they do not go well together, so everything that you colored with your white crayon will remain white, just like this. So you can basically draw or design anything that you want. So for my case, I decided to do a pink pineapple instead of the regular yellow pineapple, so I just added a bunch of pink all over the place. So I basically used all the pink colors that come in my watercolor palette, and so on this side I just added a little bit of shading by adding more of that darker pink, just to make my pineapple more cute and more attractive to look at. So while my pineapple dries, I took this small piece of vinyl or like paper that has like a bunch of glue or sticky back, and so on the back side I drew like all the leaves for my pineapple, and then I basically just cut them out. So basically with this kind of paper you can make any design or any cute stickers that you want and put them on any surface. So then I cut them out, and then I just peeled the white paper from the back and then just put it onto my notebook just like this. And you can find this kind of paper at craft stores or office supply stores. Honestly, they're super cute. There's some that have a bunch of glitter, otherwise there's also some that have like a mirror effect to them, and some that have a bunch of texture. And once that my designs were all done, it was time to write a cute phrase on my notebook, so I wrote the phrase "life is better with pineapples." So I basically wrote the phrase or the part "life is better" in tall letters and super thin as well. And then for the second part, so the word "with," I wrote it in capital letters as well, but a lot smaller from the ones that I already wrote, as you can see right here. And then I just decorated with 2 small lines, one on each side. And for the word pineapple, I made it in cursive and I wrote it in black or blue ink, just like this, and then I just went back and like made it bolder just to make it more popping. And once your notebooks are all done, they should look like this. Alright guys, and this was it for today's idea. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss any of my videos. And see you on the following video for another idea on how to decorate your notebooks for this back to school. Bye guys!